Hello crafties, and welcome to another video tutorial. My name is Infinity, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your basic pom-pom here. So these make good for toppers, for hats, as well as other little craft projects. So we're going to jump right in. I'm going to move that guide to the side. What you're going to need today are some larger scissors and some snips. If you only have the larger scissors, that's fine too. You're going to need also your yarn. Okay crafties, so what we're going to do is, first of all, we're going to take our yarn, whatever color you choose, and you are going to cut a length of string off, maybe 12 inches or somewhere in that neighborhood. I always snip a little extra. And we're going to leave this string laid out to the side. Next, you're going to take your string that's still connected to the skein, and you are going to lay it over your non-dominant hand like this and wrap it around so that you can form a loop, and just leave that little dangly tail hanging over the side. And what you're going to do now is commence to wrapping the yarn around your hand like so, several times. Some people give you a count. I say go as long as your hands can put up with it. The more times you wrap your yarn around your hand, the bigger your pom-pom will be. So I'm just going to keep doing that until I'm comfortable. You don't want to make this too tight where your fingers start turning colors. Alright, so now that I feel like I have wrapped it adequately, I am going to take my snips and just cut my yarn. Okay, and I am going to hold my yarn in such a way that it doesn't come unraveled, and take it off my hand, and I'm going to lay it across my string that I set to the side in the beginning. Now what I'm going to do is tie my string across the middle section of this wrapped yarn. Like that. And what I like to do is flip it over on the other side and tie it again. And then on that same side, I tie it again. And this makes a nice strong tie knot, and it shouldn't come apart on you. So now what I'm going to do is grab my big scissors here, and I'm going to open them and insert the tip of it into these strings like that, and just start cutting. And I'm kind of digging around in there just to find any loops that might have been missed. And as I'm doing that, I kind of fork it out with the scissors, away from me, of course. Alright, and then I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. So just putting my scissors through there and snipping. And you don't want to do this with your smaller scissors, again, because it will make them dull faster, and if you paid a lot of money for your snips, you want them to last a really long time. Alright, and now what you do, just kind of play with it a little bit, inspect it for loops that might have escaped your eye. And you have to look at your pom-pom. Now, the longer string you're going to want to keep so you can sew it on to your project, but this other guy, you can just cut off like that, and that string blends in with the rest of the pom-pom. And there you have it, how to make a pom-pom. So until next time, happy making!